So I have been blessed to be a mom of a baby boy. So I've been a mom for about 8 years now. And those that know my little boy Judah, you know very much that I talk a lot about him on this channel. So if you're new here, you may not know, but my 8-year-old, I usually say is the best thing that happened to me after being saved and knowing Jesus. And there's something that is just a blessing because he's such a beautiful handsome, but also really kind heart. He's an amazing boy. And recently I was really blessed to be a mom again, and this time round of a baby girl. And gosh, it has been an interesting journey. It has been an amazing journey, but also full of its own challenges. As I mentioned, her delivery wasn't the easiest one, of course, and the healing has taken quite some while. And so I'm at the moment just working through healing, working through getting my body back into normalcy, back into routine. So at the moment, I have been concentrating more on my nutrition. So I have been on a plant-based diet for a very long time, but because I had quite a high intake of antibiotics after I had to go back into fermented foods. I'm mainly having kefir, which is fermented dairy, but I'm not still taking red meat. I've continued also to ensure that I'm active, so I've been walking a lot, but I haven't gone back into any major exercises because obviously after major surgery, you don't really go back into just running up and down. You might end up injuring yourself and causing more havoc than good. I've continued to ensure that I'm hydrated. Sleep is something that is debatable at the moment. Sometimes we have really good sleep. Sometimes you don't really have much sleep, but through it all, I'm not complaining. I'm so super grateful. When I'm able to sleep, I'm thankful. When I'm not able to sleep, I'm still very thankful. So at the moment, I'm just going back into that journey of allowing myself, first of all, to heal completely, get back into normalcy, and then secondly, ensuring that I have enough breast milk for my baby. I do just allow the baby to feed, but sometimes I express, and when I'm expressing, I mainly do hand expressing. With my boy, I did pumping with a pump, but with this one, I find just hand expressing to be easy for me. And today I was privileged to get 120 ml from one breast, just with pumping, with expressing with the hand. Of course, I can't show you that, but it's something that, well, I can, but not now. But that's something that, again, which I have been learning. It was difficult to start with, but I've kind of found it's easy and I'm enjoying it at the moment. I'm also working hard to ensure that I still give my boy, the attention that he deserves, because obviously I do not want to balance it, and I want to balance it so that I'm not really concentrating on just one baby and forgetting about my other baby. So for now, what I'm doing is focusing on healing, focusing on restoring my health, and I will be coming back into exercising, talking about my nutrition, what I eat, and things like that with time. And so I hope some of you can follow me on this journey. For now, it was just kind of an update video from me, and I just want to continue to thank you, those of you who continue to share, subscribe, and like this channel. If you haven't done so, why not do that so that we can be on the journey together? You can get some updates from me as I take this new venture in life, as I try to heal, but also try to go back into some form of normalcy. Thank you so much for every support. Continue to do it as God gives you the grace. I love you guys, and I shall be back again with some update in the near soon. But for now, take care. God bless, and much love from me. Goodbye.